All right, welcome to another great day in my retirement. And now we're going on a 11-day camping trip with this guy here. And we're headed up the California coast to Pismo Beach. We're going to turn inland to Los Padres National Forest, Ojai, and a couple other places. So we rented this guy from RV Share, and it's $125 a night plus tax, plus insurance, plus a bunch of other junk. So somehow we're going to load this guy up. All right. Here's our little chairs, captain's table. I'll show you inside real fast. Okay, we've got a sink here. We've got a propane stove. Microwave up here. This whole thing pulls out to a bed with a couple little adjustments, right? Storage is pretty good. So we've got some storage up here. We got more storage here, and we got our fridge. Okay, take a look at our fridge. Okay, it's pretty good size. Up here we got a little freezer. Okay, we got this little pull-out guy. There we go. For crackers and whatever. Donuts for the breakfast. Reduced price. Okay, and over here's the toilet. Here, I hope we don't use that. And we're certainly not going to use the shower. By any means, a little more storage up here. And down here, I think there's more storage for food and stuff. Okay? There we go. So, I'll show you what we're going to take on our trip for all the food and chairs and towels and stuff. We're going to kind of pack somehow in this beautiful little camper. All right. All right, so let's check out what we're taking on our camping trip here. Let's go clockwise around. Got a bunch of brownie, granola, peanuts, macadamia nuts. I don't even like that stuff. Taking some cranberry juice, a bunch of wine, a bunch more wine. We got our Cokes, Pepsi, Coors Light. Of course, we got paper towels. Rapid dissolving toilet paper everybody needs. Alright. Always take extra bags for trash bags and Ziploc bags. Duct tape. Little light. Bungee cords. Here's my bird book. We're doing a lot of bird watching. And of course we have a little bird telescope. And here's a set of binoculars, alright? Need a little broom here, of course. Little towels for washing the dishes. Little soap, sponge. Here we have our utensils. Spoon, spatula, forks, little knives, spoons, that kind of stuff. Always take plasticware, so you just toss it out. Here we have a pair of scissors. Little can opener, right? I like to keep everything all zip-locked. Always bring extra batteries, of course, for your lanterns. We have 1, 2, 3 lanterns. A couple of lights. Here we have our mosquito repellent. Little tape. Always take this guy, right? When you're hiking, you're going to need this A&D cream for, those sensitive areas. And here we have some sunblock, right? Take some foil. Here's a little thermometer. We always tell the temperature. Our wine glasses for the beautiful wine over here. Okay, coffee mugs. Also doubles for soup, of course. Right? Paper plates. Three packs of beef jerky. Now these are good. I like these because you use them to spread jam or peanut butter or butter. Right, and just burn them in the fireplace. Got to take our COVID face masks, as you never know who's going to require that. And of course, our COVID test kit. Okay, we have a little hydrocortisone cream in case we get bit by a mosquito or a spider. And for coffee, we have our Sweet and Low, both the Splenda. And the other one, we got bags of cappuccino. This cappuccino is pretty cool. Okay, we got our coffee, creamer, here we have our Knorr's Alfredo. We have 4 packs of these. All right, we'll just boil them over the pan. A little chicken flavor here as well. You can't go wrong with these, all right? Try to buy them on sale, Dollar Tree, somewhere else. More Alfredo broccoli. How about that? What else? And these here, these are always good too. Little packs of chicken, tuna. Here's more tuna here. We have our bags of chips. Craven brand. You know it's good. It's Craven. They're canned goods. Okay, we have vegetables, and then we have corn. And here we have our sirloin steak chunky soup. Got 2 of them. Hormel chunky beef chili, and that one's got with beans. Here we have more beans. Oh, this will be exciting. Here we have our spaghetti, half-length spaghetti. So half-length is great because it fits in the pot better. So you boil this up, all right, and you stick this in there, and you got a full meal. Here's some instant potatoes, Idahoan. Okay, we got Craven cookies. Who needs Oreos? Not even Hydrox or Twist and Shouts. These are Cravens. Wow, good stuff. Pop-Tarts for breakfast. We got 2 boxes of that. Up here we have our top ramen. 4 top ramens. They're easy to cook and eat. We have Ritz crackers. Of course, this is the name brand Ritz. Only get that. We have a little salsa. Some pasta sauce, more nuts and junk. Always get the squirt-on jam, okay? The squeeze jam. Always get that, and always get the squeezy Skippy. And the Jif had like salmonella poisoning, so we couldn't get Jif. Our pots here, just taking 2, right? We got a little frying pan. We got our saucepan, and the lid fits, of course, the frying pan and the saucepan. So just 1 lid. And here's our little pot to boil stuff. We have a kettle for boiling the hot water that we'll use to make the instant coffee. All right. What else? Oh, and you got a cutting board here too. All right. Always take a cutting board. Excuse me. And a little mug thing. Fire sticks. Excuse me. And little acetaminophen. What else we got? Oh, and for camping, I got the super good camping jacket here. All right, I got my hiking boots or hiking shoes. A little bit dirty from last trip. Sneakers. And this is a cot here with a little tent that pops up. I'll show you right now what it looks like when it's all assembled. All right, so if you want to go to bed, you just go like this, and like this, and like this. Night. Thanks for watching my video. Okay, and here's a little pad in case you want to sleep on that. We got a little grill here, and charcoal lighter, little bucket. You never really know when you need a bucket. And here we have my beach chairs, okay, and beach towels, and of course some sleeping bags. And somewhere in this hodgepodge, got a little tool set with screwdriver, wrench, pliers. You know, you need that too. All right, so we're going to take all this. I'm going to show you how it fits in our little camper. How about that? I don't think it's going to fit. So let's check out the camper and how it all fits. All right. Oh yeah, here I forgot. We're taking some juice, milk, tortillas. All right. Apples down here. Taking some frozen beef patties. I'm going to take 8 of them. Some hot dogs, okay? More hot dogs, these are pretty jumbo size. And London broil, pre-seasoned 1 pound steak times 2. And that's what we're going to cook for the first night. And ice cubes. Okay, so let's check out the loading situation now. All right, so let me show you how it looks when we're all packed up here. In the back of our van here, got just some stuff that I didn't show you this one. Right, you got to have a propane little cooktop, right? Just a camping burner for charcoal, some other stuff. I'll take you inside. All right, here we go. Inside, show you how everything just packed away so nicely. I'm very pleasantly surprised. All right, let's open the shower. That's where all the fun debauchery goes. Okay, that's cool. We got our tub of water here. All right, so I've got the sink. Here's all our utensils. I showed you underneath the little stove top. Down here we have our pots and pans. Okay, a tea kettle. I put our coffee cups here too. Down in this drawer, okay, we got our little washing tub with our coffee cups, our ceramic ones, so they don't make a bunch of noise. I put this towel here between them, so I hope that works. Okay, over here, down here, here's our little snack items. They all packed in this drawer pretty nicely. Pop-Tarts.
Oh, you did have Ritz.
Ritz, our cookies, hot dog buns. I might put those in the fridge. And all the other odds and ends, right? Beef jerky. Up here in the spice cabinet. Okay, we got a coffee center, juice, Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, donuts here for breakfast. Our little peanut butter and jelly section. More coffee, snacks, spaghetti. Here's all the canned goods, and they line up real nicely. It's got a little lip here, so hopefully they don't fly off. So I wanted to tell you though, I have some glass bottles of like ragu, but I put the glass in the cabinet. I don't want the glass up here. Okay, nothing's in the fridge yet. Here's our little electronic section. We got lights and ample supply of batteries. Okay, there's our duct tape as well. In this cabinet here, is our water, Gatorade, a bunch of things we have. And over here, you gotta push these buttons, right? It's like our toiletries, towels, first aid kit, some string, little broom here, right? Right up here. Okay, down here we have a towel. Here's my tent, sleeping bag, our little bags of clothes. These are beach chairs and pillows. I think that's all we have in this beautiful van here. All right. So that's it. Hope you liked the video. I hope you can join me on all the other videos I'm going to make of our little tour up the beaches and out to Los Padres Forest. Have a great day. Bye.